Hello, welcome again. So till now we have done 5 consonants and 2 vowels in their matra forms. On the whiteboard, on the contrary, you will only see the previous six alphabets, because we do not have enough space on whiteboard and we can't continue revising all the alphabets as we proceed. So just keep in mind. Let's revise what we have on the whiteboard. The first one is the, l, m, and the fourth one is r, and the 2 vowels are a and a. Vowels are important, so again we will revise the sound that they represent, a and a. Fine. Today's alphabet is also a consonant, n, and like this, finishing with a knot. N equivalent in English is n. Now, n with a becomes na, na. N with a becomes ne. Written like. Let's form few words. Let's make few words. N plus a, na, 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 na. Nana is maternal grandfather. Fine. First one. Second one is na, la, nala. Nala is a brook. Third one is neta. Neta. Neta is leader. Fourth one, a simple one, is namak. Namak is salt. Then we have na, m. Naam. Naam is name. Then we have nak. Nak is nose. Let's revise them once again. So, Nana is maternal grandfather. Nala is a brook or channel. Neta is leader. Namak is salt. Naam is name. We have done mera, my, and now we have done naam. Mera naam, my name, you can say. Nak is nose. So we have done 6 words today. Hello, welcome again. So in total we have done 6 consonants and 2 vowels in their matra forms. On the board I have added 4 consonants and 2 vowels only because I have removed the first 2 because we can't keep revising all of them all the time as we progress. So now let's start with today's class, and before that, as we do, let's revise that we have the whiteboard. So 4 consonants are n, m, and r. Fine. The vowels, their matra forms are a, same pronunciation of a, arm, and then we have a, same pronunciation of a that we have in the word pen. Fine. Now let's start with today's letter, today's alphabet. This is a consonant written like a 4 with a horizontal line above. Pronunciation for this one is p, p, p. Equivalent to this one in English is the letter P. Fine. Now let's make combination of P with the vowel A. Pa. Pa with A will become Pe. Now this is interesting. Now you know how to write the word pen in Hindi. Pe and N, pen. Okay, let's make few more words. The simplest one is K, P, cup. Use a lot this word in day-to-day life. Cup. Then we have Papa. This is how we write Papa in Hindi. Then we have the country name Panama. Panama. Panama is country. Then we have again a country name Nepal. Ne, N with A matra, P with A matra, L. Nepal, country. Then one more word. This time it's vegetable. Palak. Palak is. Now let's revise. Then word 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. First word we did is cup, cup. Pa, pa, papa. Panama, Panama. Nepal, Nepal. Palak, spinach. So we did 5 words today, including pen. We did 6. So as usual, I always say I always upload a practice worksheet for you with the lesson. You practice with that, and I will see you in the next class. Bye bye. So I'm very happy that we are making a good progress. Till now we have done 7 consonants and 2 vowel matras. Therefore I'm planning to make the next class a revision class. What we are going to do, that I'm going to write few words on the whiteboard and you are going to read them. You are going to self-evaluate your progress, and we need that because we need to assure that we do not forget anything that we have learned till now. So let's proceed with today's class. As we do, let's revise the letters that we have on the whiteboard. The first consonant is the, n, then the third one is p, and the fourth one is r. 2 vowels that we have are a and a sound. Fine. A of arm and a of the sound that we have, a sound in pen. Fine. Today again what we are going to learn is a matra written like this, a vertical line, stem of a, and then an inverted U or upside down U on the horizontal line like this. The sound, the pronunciation will be the same that we have in peak, the long E sound that we have. Peak, or you can say clean, also have this. Fine. Now Let's make the combinations. E, long E. With K, it will be like this. Key, right key always like this with the dash above the letter I. With L, it will be written like this. E. With P, it will be written like this. It will be E. With M. With M, it will be written like this. E. And then we have R, E. Then we have N, E. Fine. And forget anything. Then we have the E. Hope it's clear for you. Now let's make few words. The first word is na, ni, nani. We have learned already in the last class when we did the letter N. Nana, we have already done. Nana is maternal grandfather. Now this time we have to do nani. Nani is maternal grandmother. Right? Then we have the next word is country name. I'm deliberately making examples, country names as examples because you know these words and it is easy for you to understand how to write words. Mali. Mali is a country. And like this. Then a word pani. Pani, water. Pani. Pina. And the E matra is on P. Pina. Pina is to drink. Pina and pani written very similar to each other. Then we have Rani. Rani. Rani is a queen. Then we have Nila. Nila is blue color. Then we have Mami. Mami is aunt or wife of maternal uncle. Fine. So there are many words with E matra. I will upload the practice worksheet for you. You can practice them there more. 5, 6, 7 words we can today. Let's revise them. Na, ni, mali, pa, ni, pani, pi, na, ra, ni, da, and ma, mi. Fine. Hope this is clear for you. I will see you in the next class. You practice them. Next class will be a revision class. Let's revise them all together. Bye-bye. Hello, welcome to the revision class. This is a milestone that we have achieved. I'm very happy with the progress that we are making. Till now, in total, we have learned 10 letters, 7 consonants, and 3 vowel matras. I have written on the whiteboard for you all of them. I'm going to write few words on the whiteboard. I'm not going to give you the pronunciation immediately. You have to watch till the end this video. Right now, just read yourself and self-evaluate your progress. Okay, that's the purpose of this class. Let's revise them what we have on the whiteboard, the letters. Then we'll start with today's revision. T, N, P, R, K, L, and then M. These are the consonants. Then vowels are A, A, and then E. Name of the peak. E sound that we have in peak. Now let's revise with the words. I'm going to write the first word. Try to read this. The second word. Third one. Fourth. Fifth. And eighth. Ninth. 10th. Okay, so now try to read them. If you want to pause this video, pause it now, and then I will give the correct pronunciations. So let's read them. The first one is lakir, with long e, and then lakir, papita, papita. Then we have tir, teen. Then we have Lima, city. Then Ina, Kan, Kamar. This is one. Then Kamara. As you can see, after the verb, we just placed the A matra and it became Kamara. This is Kamar and this is Kamara. And this is Tali. Let's revise them again. Lakir, Papita, Lima, Kan, Kamra, Tir, Teen, Pina, Kamar, Tali. Fine. I hope it matches with what you have written on your notebook or on your with whatever you have. So this is we have revised all the 10 letters in these words. For the English meanings, we have to see the worksheet that I have uploaded for you. I will see you in the next class. Bye bye.